Hi, in this video we are going to see the huge assistant professor as well as the lecturer vacancies notifications from the multiple colleges, guys. So it is a mega recruitment, and here the eligibility coming to the postgraduate candidates, that means only PG or else the PG plus UGSNet or else the PhD candidates. Here the opportunities are there. So please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this notification. And here the UGC pay scale notifications as well as to get the 57,700 rupees per month notifications are also there. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of faculty job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGSNet preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so here total we are going to see 6 notifications from the 6 different colleges, guys. So out of this one, it is the first one, Academy of Dramatic Arts. Okay, so in this one here the recruitment notification is announced, guys. So recruitment of notice, Academy of Dramatic Art. So in this PDF they mention the details, so you may check down. It is Ministry of Culture, Government of UP. So Bharatiya Academy of Dramatic Art is inviting applications to citizens of India for the following post: acting teacher 1 post, and stage craft teacher 1, and classical as well as modern Indian drama teacher 1 vacancy is there. And here the age limitations as well as the pay scales also mentioned here, guys. So here the coming to the first one, that means acting teacher, the pay scale is mentioned here. So including all the allowances as well as the grade pay, you may get nearly 57,700 rupees per month. And coming to the qualification and experience required for a post: graduate from recognized university with NSD or BNA diploma, or else a master's degree with 55% of marks in the related subjects, and 5 years experience with either 2 years research work or 3 years creative work and professional experience, and a good knowledge of Hindi as well as the English is required. And applicants must submit his or her resume with application fee 500 rupees bank draft in favor of Director Bharatiya Natya Academy, Lucknow by 25th June 2021, 5 o'clock through post or the directly at a BNA office also you can submit. And the applicant must attach a recent passport size photograph with application, and the SC/ST OBC candidate will be given the age relaxation. Fine. That means as per the government of India, for SC/ST 5 years and for OBC 3 years, like that it is there. So please just clarify yourself, guys. And here if you are having any queries regarding this one, the contact number is given here as well as the email ID is also given here. So please check down all the details very clearly, guys. And coming to the next notification is from the business school, guys. Okay. So it is from the OIM, Orient Institute of Management. So in this one here you may check down. Applications are invited for the following positions: so training and placement officer and placement assistant. Here the last date of application is 20th June 2021, guys. Okay, so for the job profile for training and placement, click on that one, and then you will be directed to the job profile here. While coming to the placement assistant, also click on that one. So first we will see the training and placement officer job profile. The position entails the pre-placement training to the students, building and maintaining the corporate relations. Okay, and the ideal person will be very good contacts and reputation in the industry, should have good communication skill, presentation and relationship building skills, beside a pleasant personality, and a graduate in the age of 30 to 40 years, having minimum 6 years of experience in the relevant field. Being a resident of Navi Mumbai will be a plus point or else a preferable, and the job involves occasional and local travel might be there, and attractive remuneration package or commensurate to the profile of the candidates. Fine. And coming to the placement assistant, that you may check down, 24 to 32 age group, and the required skills: good written and verbal communication skills, telecalling, MS Office coordination, team working, and minimum experience of 3 years is required in the same profile. Prior experience of education sector would be an advantage. So industry standard remuneration is on the offer. Okay, so for this one also graduation is required, guys. Fine. So here assistance to the placement manager in maintaining the company database, preparing the placement brochure, okay, inquiring about the vacancies and make company appointments. Okay, all these things has to be done. Fine. And coming to the next college is Union Christian College, guys, from Kottayam. It is affiliated to Mahatma Gandhi University. So here assistant professor vacancies in the zoology as well as history, and office attendant, gardener as well as the mechanic positions are also there. So here download the corresponding application form and then fill it carefully. Here the application fee is 1000 rupees for the assistant professor category and 500 rupees for the office attendant or mechanic or the gardener. Should be remitted to the bank name, IFSC code, everything details are given here. And a scanned copy of the filled in form and supporting documents in PDF format along with the proof of fee payment should be emailed to the given mail ID within 1st July 2021. And what are the different supporting documents for the assistant professor you have to fill up? You have to attach the supporting documents. And what are the different supporting documents for the office attendant? Okay, so those things also given here. And coming to the application forms, you may check down. So application form of position of assistant professor, click here, and the application form for the post of office attendant, you may click here. So I will just show you the application form for the assistant professor, guys. If you click on that one, and then the document will be downloaded, guys. So it is the PDF, and take the printout of this one. Fill up all the details. Okay, if you have the PhD, they mention that you are having the PhD. If you don't, then just put the blank. Okay, so fill up all the details and then scan and then attach the necessary documents and then mail them. Okay, whatever the given mail ID is there, you just send all the scanned copies to the provided mail ID. Okay, so before sending, please once check all the checklist here along with the application form. Okay, so it is a mail ID, guys. You have to send to this one within July 1st, 2021, right? And coming to the next one is Shankar Narayan College. So actually in this one, you may check down online job application for the senior college. Okay, here the job application is there. So before going into this application, first of all, I will show you what are the different subjects are there here. So if you belongs to any one of the subject with only post graduation, then try to apply, guys. So here the subjects, the arts, English, Marathi and Hindi, environmental studies, history, sociology, political science and economics, and English, Marathi or Hindi or IT and environmental studies, economics, bookkeeping and accountancy, organization of commerce and management, mathematics. And coming to the science, English, Marathi or Hindi, environmental studies, mathematics, physics, chemistry and information technology. Fine. So if you belongs to any one of this department with post graduation only, then no problem. So click on the online application form here. Then the online application form will be opened, guys. Okay, so here you have to fill up the details whatever they are asking here. So full name, email, contact number, date of birth, permanent address, native address. Okay, so fill up all these details and then upload your resume and then click on the submit button. Okay, so by this way your online application form will be submitted, and based upon their requirement, okay, they will call you directly for the interview, or else based upon their selection process, it depends, guys. Fine. And coming to the next one, so it is from International Institute of Information Technology, that is IIIT Hyderabad. So here the faculty applied research positions are there, and applied research faculty is a full-time faculty equivalent position requiring a research aptitude and industry experience is required. So education, PhD from a renowned institute followed by at least 5 years of experience, or through a PhD, though a PhD is desirable, an engineering or science postgraduate with over 15 years of extensive and intensive experience in the industry. Fine. So that means postgraduate with 15 years of experience in industry will be exempted from the PhD, that is desirable for them. And here few prerequisites as well as the professional experience and responsibilities, okay, projects and all these things are given here. So you please check down, guys. Okay, So total these are the different vacancies from the 6 different types of colleges, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them. Here I shown you the huge number of vacancies from the multiple subjects. So definitely it will be very much helpful to the candidates to whom you are sharing this video. Okay, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail, by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.